Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be here today. Your good friend Walter at the workbench. So, today I accomplished two, not one, but two firsts in my workshop. Number one, I created my smallest plane to date. It's 5 inches long, a little over an inch wide, and a little less than an inch thick. It's made of tulip poplar, shop-made steel, iron, and an olive wood wedge, and a steel pin, cross pin. I want to make other planes in this style bigger with the Krenov blades, but I wanted to do something as an experiment, so I did this. That was step number one. Step number two, I hand chiseled out the opening in the plane body. So this is one solid piece of wood, not like a typical Krenov blade that has the cheeks laminated to the core body. Much like you would find on an old traditional plane or a traditional Japanese plane. So this plane works just as well on the pull as it does on the push. It was a fun little project. I just wanted to share that with you. And I wanted to share this. If I can do this with hand tools, you can do this. So head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.